Hello, I am ITMM, an Amazon account suspension reactivation expert. As an expert, I'll explain how you can appeal an Amazon account suspension. So chapter-wise, you can understand it. First is understand the reason of suspension. Read the suspension notification email. Understand the reason Amazon has provided you or provided for your account suspension. Identify the issue. Second, you can determine what policy you violated or what action led to your suspension. And then review Amazon's policies. Read Amazon's selling policies. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies to understand which rules you might have violated. Second, identify the policy violation. Match the reason for your suspension with the corresponding Amazon policy. And then next, plan your appeal. Gather evidence. Collect all the relevant documents, invoices, or any other information that might support your case. Craft your plan. Devise a clear and concise plan of action to address the issue. And next, write your appeal. Use professional language, be polite and professional throughout your appeal. Acknowledge the issue. Admit if you made a mistake and explain what you have done to rectify it. Provide evidence. In the next step, you must attach any relevant documents or evidence to support your case. And then promise future compliance. Assure Amazon that you will comply with their policies in the future. And then submit your appeal. Use the right channel. Appeals are typically submitted through Seller Central. Follow Amazon's instructions. Make sure you follow Amazon's guidelines for submitting your appeal. And then wait patiently. Amazon can take several days to respond to your appeal. After that, you follow up. Check your email regularly. Amazon will contact you via email. Respond promptly. If Amazon asks for more information, provide it as soon as possible. Be persistent but polite. If your appeal is rejected, you can submit another one, but be sure to address the issue raised by Amazon in their response. Chapter 7. Regain selling privileges. Monitor your account. Once your account is reinitiated, ensure you remain compliant with Amazon's policies to avoid future suspensions. Learn from the experience. Use the experience to improve your selling practices and prevent future suspensions. Additional tips for you. Seek professional help. If you are unsure how to proceed, you might consider consulting with a professional who has experience dealing with Amazon suspension. Learn from others. There are online communities and forums where sellers share their experiences and offer advice on appealing suspensions. Would you like to know more? Type in comment box your questions and for feedback or suggestions. Thank you very much.